Brighten up your style with this floral stenciled lampshade project from Designer Stencils. After gathering your materials, spray a piece of cardboard with Repositionable Spray Adhesive. Next, spray the backside of your stencil and wait for the spray to cure. Pour out a small amount of each color of Americana acrylic paint onto a disposable plate. Next, attach your fabric to the cardboard and flatten to remove any wrinkles or bubbles. Apply the desired shade by removing excess paint on some paper towels and by swirling the brush through the stencil. Use different colors to create a shading effect within the design. Next, peel away the stencil and reposition it to the left or right on the fabric. Proceed until the fabric is covered. Roll out your lampshade liner and adhere to the underside of the fabric. Now, trim the excess material, leaving a small edge for wrapping. Add fabric glue to the edge, fold over, and secure with paper clips. At the same time, wrap the shade around the wire frame and secure using the glue. Cut slits in the fabric where needed to accommodate the wire. Your lampshade is now complete and ready to beautify your room. For more tips and ideas, visit designerstencils.com today.